You have the power to do that. And as a Republican, I'm very disappointed in my party, and I'm very disappointed in you because you do have the power to call.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available.
Fucking.
Fuck.
I like to know where your mind is at. What you say, you ain't got no time for that. I try to take you under pressure. Finally got you on the spot. Now.
Whoa! Okay, Garmin, save video.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Fucking hell. Fucking lady.
Understand it's not like me to give my heart away. Hey, now you taking distance and that's hard to take. Hey, I tried everything to get your thought.
Jesus, con.
Are you serious? Are you serious? What are you doing?
Oh my god.